Division of two-digit numbers with remainder. Example. Divide 65 by 7. Solution. We know that 65 divided by 7 may also be written as, here, 65 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. Recall the multiplication table of the divisor and look for the dividend in it. Here, let us recall the multiplication table of 7 and look for 65 in this table. Using the multiplication table of 7, we find that 65 does not occur in its table. When the dividend does not occur in the multiplication table of divisor, we take the number as close to the dividend as possible but less than dividend. So here, we take 9 times 7 equals 63. So write 9 as the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. So we get quotient equals 9 and remainder equals 2. Checking division, divisor times quotient plus remainder equals dividend 7 times 9 plus 2 equals 65 dividend. So our division is correct.